So, curvecozy.com is basically an online fashion store focused on clothing designed for different body shapes and sizes. The website can make the products look really appealing, but there are a few things I'd check before buying. The biggest question is whether the actual quality matches the photos. With lesser-known fashion stores, sizing, materials, stitching, and overall quality can sometimes be very different from what the marketing suggests. I'd also look closely at shipping times and the return policy. If something doesn't fit or isn't what you expected, an international return can potentially be more complicated or expensive than you think. So, is curvecozy.com a scam? I wouldn't automatically make that claim without stronger evidence, but I also wouldn't rely purely on the website's photos or discounts. Check independent reviews, company information, payment protection, and refund details before ordering. Overall, the designs might look tempting, but do a little research first and make sure you're comfortable with the risks before spending your money. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.